boondocking is in the books.
Yeah, in Florida.
How'd you like it?
I liked it. It was really nice. The weather was good. Yeah, it was really nice. I liked it.
Yeah, really good. Each place we stayed had a unique personality.
It did. So we stayed at 3 different places, and yeah, very different personalities. I mean, obviously the Tampa show, we had that in the middle, but the first place at Punta, I mean, that was neat because a lot of swamp buggy type people were there, and hunters, and it was coming to a close, so it was really winding down.
Yeah, at the end of the season, we didn't have it all to ourselves, but
almost.
It was definitely empty.
And we kind of got introduced to some new subcultures, you know, the swamp buggies and the schoolies.
Yeah,
And
that was
then
interesting.
Here, totally different personality. This was a lot of, you know, snowbirds or seasonal people here.
Definitely
And
seasonal people here at Three Legs.
yeah, and it was, you really got that sense of community and togetherness, and everyone's watching out for everybody else. It was really nice. I liked it.
Yeah, it was a nice place. I can see us coming back.
Yeah, and you got really lucky, or I don't know if you planned this, but both places had pit toilets, so that helped out a lot.
Yes.
And I didn't feel like that 26 days of boondocking was just like really, we're having to watch every little drop of water because you had dumped and filled. So that allowed me to do 2 or 3 loads of laundry. So
Yep, that dumping and filling kind of in the middle really helped out and took some of the stress away.
yeah, for me, I freak out when we don't have 50 or 60 gallons of water all the time.
So our boondocking in Florida has come to a close. We are now starting our next phase of full hookups at 1,000 Trails.
Yeah, so we're going to do some 1,000 Trails park hopping. I wish we were doing park hopping at Disney, but
Yeah, really, that would be
that's not
nice.
going to happen. Yeah,
Not for a while.
So we've been to 1,000 Trails, TTO, 1,000 Trails Orlando, Claremont. I think this is going to be our 4th or 5th time.
Yes.
And we've been really, really, really super lucky.
Oh yeah.
I mean, like super duper lucky that we haven't had any issues. You hear all these horror stories of, you know, these 1 and 2 hour waits.
Oh, I know, and the road being backed up all the way.
Yeah.
It's going to be interesting. I'm a little anxious, I'll say.
Yeah, I
just
am
a
too.
tad.
So, you know, we've gone there several times during all different times of the day. We've gotten there at 12:30 in the afternoon, and we've gotten there at 8 or 9 o'clock at night.
Yeah,
So
so
I don't
all
know.
over the place. So it'll be interesting to see what awaits us when we get to Orlando.
So I'm actually ready for this. You know, we've got our Disney mode on. So usually our theory is whenever you stand in line, make use of that time. So we packed a lunch, and the plan is during this 2 hour long wait, we're just going to have lunch in the truck. So that'll be good.
So
But,
we're prepared for it. We'll see what happens.
yeah.
It'll be interesting.
Maybe he can point that thing our way and rinse us off. Oh my goodness. Wow. Well, we finally did it. We finally hit rush hour.
Woo! Yes.
So I just took a real quick peek outside,
Yes.
and they're backed up, but there's probably only about maybe 7 or 8 RVs behind us.
Well, that's
so,
not bad.
So I don't know if we just hit this window just right, that the hardcore people were right here at noon, and it's about 10 after now.
Yeah.
So you hit the lights just right.
Timing is everything.
Yes. So this is interesting. We've never been through this process before. Like we said earlier,
No, never.
Yeah.
We've always just rolled right on through. So
Yeah.
this will be good to see what the process is and what it's like. Slowly we approach the front gate. Finally. Actually, it's only been about 10 minutes.
You got enough truck, man.
You know, I was worried about it.
That's the only free thing you get in here. It's got all the important numbers on it. The most important number's the last one.
Oh, is that you?
That's me.
Oh, all right.
Got any questions about membership or upgrade?
All right, thank you. Hi.
Hi, you have your ID with you? They sure do.
Got it?
This is Mr.
Oh, come on now. Don't chicken out on me.
Hanamoku.
Oh, Darlene, you are close. Kahanamoku.
Hanamoku. All right, there you go, David.
Very good. Thank you.
Put this on your dash for me, please.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Ooh, we get an escort.
An escort. I like an escort.
He didn't mean it like that.
So, yeah, it's interesting. They during the peak times of check-ins, they have changed this. So,
Yeah,
giving you a
it's
number
nice.
that you're assigned, and they take you to a site that hopefully you'll fit.
Which is nice because in years past, we'll just show up and they say, well, what do you recommend? And they'll say, just go find something. And it's like, well, do you kind of have a rough idea what's open and where?
Yeah, so
No.
this is
Yeah.
vastly improved.
This is nice.
We'll see what kind of site we end up with.
Yeah. Hey, as long as we can fit, which we will, we know we will.
Yes. Yeah, lots of sites here that we can fit.
So these people are watching the morning parade.
Yes, to see what kind of setups show up.
Here's the queuing area. I guess everyone has to take their toads and stuff off here.
Yes, if you have a toad, you need to be toadless going in there.
It's actually moving really quickly.
It seems like they've got several people that are taking people around to find.
Oh, sorry. No, watch the turtle.
There he goes.
Why'd the turtle cross the road?
To get off the road.
Well, he's moving too. Look
Oh,
at
he
him.
is. He's cruising. Wonder where his little home is.
I don't know. I think this is the first time I've actually seen a turtle out.
Yeah. We've had their homes right behind our trailer.
Yeah, and right near us. and-
Yeah.
Well,
He's rolling.
he is. Is that you?
That might have been me. Busy day at Thousand Trails, Orlando.
Yeah. Gorgeous day though, really.
It is a
pretty.
beautiful
It's gonna be
day.
warm though.
Really nice.
Pickleball. No one's playing pickleball. Swimming pool.
So we wait here in line until our number gets called, and then they go look for a site.
Yeah. So I didn't hear. Did she have a list, and is she checking you in? I mean, just making sure you have a reservation.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So she looked at the identification card that I had, membership card, and checked that against her list that she had for reservations today. And we were on there, so no problem. I like the way they've changed this. And I think they're also trying to match the site with the size of the rig.
I want a turtle site.
You want a turtle site?
So we need to say, I want a turtle site.
Yeah. So the golf cart escorts them. Thank you.
Oh my. Okay. Well, this will give you an idea of the line behind us. So where that red car is.
It has grown a little bit.
It has grown. Well, we've been in line for 10 minutes so far. I think that was before the guard shack.
Yes.
So not bad.
Yeah, no, that's not bad. I think, 10 minutes from the guard shack. So.
Yeah, so I guess we're not getting lunch.
Doesn't look like it, does it?
No.
They are keeping things moving here. So kudos to Thousand Trails Orlando staff. They are keeping things moving.
Except for the turtles. They're blocking traffic.
Yeah. Yeah, so they escort you in your rig to the site.
Uh-huh.
I thought they might park us and then we go check it out in a golf cart.
Oh, no.
No.
They're pretty much going to say, hey, here's a site for you. Will you fit?
Here's where you'll fit.
Well, I don't want to say this is exciting, but we finally get to experience what everybody else talks about.
Yes. So it is neat going through the process and seeing how they do it, so that we know now.
So he knows probably as soon as someone picks a site, he's going to mark it down, I guess.
Last name?
Kahanamoku.
Who?
Kahanamoku.
21, right?
21, yes sir. That looks like it.
You been here before?
We've been here before. We know we can probably fit way in the older section in the back.
There is 2 and I. We just sent one, but we supposedly have one in the new section, but you'd have to park this up at the Welcome Center.
That's fine.
That's fine?
Yeah.
And tell them we can back in. Tell them we can back in.
They're confabbing right now, so they are focused. We are to follow him.
Did you ask for the turtle section? I didn't hear you say that.
You know, I think he just kind of assumed that we would want the turtle section.
That would be fun to be by an active turtle nest. Especially with little babies.
That'd be pretty cool. So this is just mildly unsettling for me because I don't know exactly where we're going.
Oh, what section, where we're going?
Yeah,
or-
you know, what does the site look like? How does it set up?
Yeah.
The geometry of it and such. So just mildly unsettling because we're used to having a little more control
Yeah.
over where we go and which site we go into.
But what I like is we're not competing against all the sites like this mad race, this mad dash to try to find a site. So like if we drive by one and someone's behind us, they make hurry up and go in and snag it.
Exactly.
And that has happened many times.
Many times
at
at Thousand Trails.
Not necessarily this one,
No.
because this is the first time we've been here with the line.
Yeah. But no, this is infinitely better the way that they
Yes.
have got this thing.
So I'm really
working.
glad that they've instituted this change.
Yes.
Row seat to the parade. The other thing I like is when some of these guys, it's kind of cute how they're in these little itty bitty golf carts and they make these huge wide turns because they want you to follow. Oh,
Yeah,
we're getting in the new section?
That's what it looks like.
Wow, how did that happen?
I don't know. Well, let's not count our chickens before they hatch on this one, because I think I heard them say they thought they had
A site.
a site available in the new section.
Oh, there's one over there.
So we'll see where we end up. But yes, this is the new section.
Nice.
Which one you want, the right one or the left one? As you park over there, you'll have a lot of evening sun. Over here, you won't have much sun in the afternoon. You'll be in the shade.
Then let's do this one.
But that's probably a little bit easier to park into, probably.
Well, yeah.
Well, but you got that. You want to get out real quick?
That's okay. I'm going to get out real quick.
It was going to get out real quick and look.
Okay. Yeah, this one. Yeah, 48 I think will be good. Because that'll, like you said, the afternoon sun. I appreciate you letting me know about
I
that.
let everyone know.
Yeah.
I park campers as if it was my camper.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, because also turning, I've got that road to spin around, so that's fantastic. Cool. All right.
We've done it before, so unhook and take the tractor up to the
Yep.
rest area.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you, sir.
Well.
So we're going to take 48 right here in the new section.
Okay.
The afternoon sun is over there, so it'll get us on our windowless side.
That's perfect.
So that'll be perfect.
One more Saturday night, you wearing them jeans so tight.